Yeah, good morning all of you. So today we are going to learn about representation of sets. So before going to representation of sets, if you have not seen introduction to sets, I will give the link in the description box. Please first you watch the definition and what is a set, then you come to this video representation of a set, right? So how do we represent a set? Sets are generally denoted by capital English alphabets A, B, C and so on. A to Z మనము ఏ ఆల్ఫాబెట్ అయినా యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ M is the set of molars among our teeth. మోలార్స్ అంటే ఇవి ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాయా, దవడపళ్ళు అంటాము, వాటిని ఇంగ్లీష్లో మోలార్స్ అంటాం. M is the set of molars of our teeth. Sets are written by enclosing all the elements between the brackets. దీనిని ఫ్లవర్ బ్రాకెట్స్ అని కూడా అంటాం. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ when we want to write a set of first 5 prime numbers, it can be written as p is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. If you want to write another set W is equal to set of weekdays Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So this is how we can write any set represented by capital alphabet and all the elements should be written in flower brackets, right? Next, for representing a set, we have three types. First one is descriptive method, second one is roster or tabular method, third one is rule or set builder method. First one, descriptive method. In this method, a well-defined description of the elements of a set is made. At times, the definition within the curly brackets. For example, a set of football players with ages 20 years and 30 years. అది ఎలా రాయొచ్చు? A is equal to football players with ages between 20 years and 30 years. ఇందాక రాసిన సెట్ని చూద్దాం. W is equal to ఇందాక రాసిన సెట్ డిస్క్రిప్టివ్ మెథడ్ వేయాలి. ఆల్ డేస్ ఇన్ అ వీక్. ఓకే, ఇంకోటి ఏదైనా సెట్ ఎన్ ఆల్ కౌంటింగ్ numbers. So if we write a set like this, this is called descriptive method. Okay, next, second one is roster or tabular method. Generally we call it roster method. In a roster method, the set elements under consideration are written inside a pair of curly braces and are separated by commas. For example, if A is the set of the first 5 months of a year, then A is equal to January, February, March, April, May. If X is the set of whole numbers less than 10, then X is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like that we can write any number of sets. Suppose prime numbers, P is equal to all prime numbers less than 10, 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, like that we can write squares of first 5 natural numbers: 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. Squares of first 5, or S is equal to, you can write it as 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. If you write the elements like this method of writing or representing a set is called roster form or tabular form. Okay. Next, rule or set builder method. Rule or set builder method. In this method, the actual elements of the set are not listed. Okay, actual elements of the set are not listed. అంటే ఎలిమెంట్స్ రాయము ఇందులో. రిలేటివ్లీ a brief or a statement or formula is written inside a pair of curly braces. For example, if P is the set of counting numbers greater than 10, then set P in set builder form can be written as ఇలా రాస్తాం. P is equal to x such that x is a counting number greater than 10. Okay, so if this form of writing a set is called as set builder form. For example, we can write n is equal to x such that x is a natural number. Okay, or z, ఇవన్నీ మనకు తెలుసు. x such that x is an integer. Understood? సో ఇలా మనము సెట్స్ని రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తే ఈ ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎ సెట్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ సెట్ బిల్డర్ మెథడ్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్, దీస్ ఆర్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ కన్వర్షన్స్, రోస్టర్ ఫార్మ్ టు సెట్ బిల్డర్ ఫార్మ్. ఫస్ట్ది, let us understand the conversion of the roster form to the set builder form with the help of examples. First example, a is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20 up to 50. Okay, ఏంటి ఇవన్నీ? if you clearly observe, these are the multiples of 5. These are the multiples of 5. This is roster form. కింద సొల్యూషన్ చూడండి, we are writing that roster form into set builder form. A is equal to x such that x is a natural number up to 40 and divisible by 5. ఇది up to 40, up to 50, up to, this is not 40, this is 50. సో ఆర్ దీన్ని మనం ఇలా కూడా రాయొచ్చు. A is equal to x such that x is a natural number and ఎక్కడ వరకు ఉన్నాయి? 50 వరకు ఉన్నాయి. x less than or equal to 50 and x is divisible by 5. We can write like this also. సో ఇక్కడ ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్స్ ప్రాపర్టీని మనం కరెక్ట్గా రిప్రజెంట్ చేయగలగాలి. ఓకే, సెకండ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, b is equal to 1, 8, 27, 64, 25. If you have clearly observe this, ఇవేంటి నంబర్స్? b is equal to 1 cube, 8 is 2 cube, 27 is 3 cube, 64 is 4 cube, 125 is 5 cube. Cube of natural numbers cubes. Okay, x is perfect cube of natural number. Okay, in next example, c is equal to a, e, I, o, u. ఇవి అందరికి తెలుసు. What are a, e, I, o, u English? x such that x is a vowel in English alphabet, right? So observing the relationships between the set elements and writing the condition as a statement to change the roster form to set builder form. Ikkada you try to write example 4 and example 5 on your own for just practicing purpose. Okay. Next, conversion of set builder form to roster form. Indaka chesindaniki opposite. Let us understand the conversion of set builder form to roster form. With example 1, X is a letter in the word Barcelona. బార్సిలోనాలో ఉన్న ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్ సెట్. సో ఇక్కడ ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి? బి, ఏ, ఆర్, సి. ఏ ఈస్ రిపీటెడ్ 2 times. సో ఇక్కడ మనం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సింది ఏంటి? వర్డ్లో ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్ ఏ అనేది 2 times ఉంది. సో మనం ఇక్కడ రోస్టర్ ఫామ్లో రాసినప్పుడు మనం ఆల్ఫాబెట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ఓన్లీ 1 time. ఓకే, ఉన్న ఆల్ఫాబెట్స్ అన్నీ రాయాలి అండ్ యూ సీ దట్ ఆల్ఫాబెట్ ఈస్ నాట్ రిపీటెడ్. ఓకే, సో విల్ గో టు ద సెకండ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. X is an even number between 9 and 19. Even numbers between 9 and 19 are 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. This is roster form. Next example, X is a month of a year having 30 days. 30 days ఉన్న మంత్ ఏంటి? జనవరి, ఫిబ్రవరి, మార్చ్, మే, జూలై, ఆగస్ట్, అక్టోబర్ అండ్ డిసెంబర్. Similarly, you write one example here. Write some set A with X such that X is a month of year with 31 days. Try to write roster form for this set. Okay. Next example, X is an integer lying between -5 and 3. So -5 and 3 మధ్యలో ఉన్న ఇంటీజర్స్ ఏంటి? -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. So to convert from set builder form to roster form, arrange and write the objects in the set as per the given conditions, right?